10 seconds to a complete stop.
I don't know, a split second?
Just kind of roll right through.
Left, right, and then just go.
Well, maybe 2 seconds.
3 seconds, of course.
Boy, you know, you really got to evaluate the scenario here.
Probably like 2-3 seconds.
Sometimes a second, sometimes not even close to a second.
Depends on where it's at.
Maybe 3 seconds.
Just enough to check, make sure nobody's coming, I guess.
5 minutes.
I don't.
Till the idle drops.
If it's warm, then not as long, but the winter, you should let it warm up for at least 5 minutes.
I usually go halfway to full temp.
Oh, at least 15 seconds? At least?
10 minutes?
Oh, at least 10 minutes.
15 minutes probably. I mean, I want to be warm.
I'm guilty of not waiting at all.
A minute.
Halfway.
I'd let it get to full temperature.
I think you should just drive the car right when you start it.
Turbo car, I like to let it warm up a little bit more. NA car, cold send it.
80 degrees and sunny.
Cold weather, because I think cold air, you can get more cold air.
Boost season, I guess, is what the fall time when it's somewhat chilly.
I don't know, we can call it boost weather, like kind of cooler weather.
I'd say about fall, usually when the temperature starts to drop a little bit. It's boost season.
A lot of people call like 50 degrees boost weather because the air is more dense.
Spring and fall.
I have no idea.
You know, late springtime, maybe mid-70s.
The winter's fun.
Depends on what you're driving.
Not too hot.
Not raining or snowing, so clear skies.
Winter could be peak performance for a winter beater.
Probably fall.
When the nights are getting crisp and you've got a nice sticky tire and can go down the asphalt, that's still warm, so fall nights.
I'd say fall.
Yeah, if it's too cold, cars usually aren't happy. If it's too hot, cars aren't happy. So I'd say like 50 to 60 degrees is probably ideal.
The hotter, stickier the pavement can be, the better. So it depends. It depends on what you're driving.
Your windshield wipers?
Light bulbs. It's happened, okay, and I know it's not regular, but I've got like sausage fingers and I can't get them down into where I need to go, so I have to get my wife. My wife doesn't know what I'm talking about, and it always ends in an argument.
It's just taking my wheels off because my lugs get stuck in the socket and you have to bang it on the ground to get them to pop out.
Gear oil, diffs, transmission.
Coolant.
Spark plug goes bad or something, because I have a flat 4.
Brakes?
Any maintenance.
Well, it depends what's going bad all the time.
I mean, I don't want to say oil, but at the same time, it might be oil. Like I just hate the mess.
I had to rebuild my Vano system, and my husband made me do it.
Engine swaps. They're not really fun.
I would hate to change anything that's in the engine.
I used to own old Audis, and they ate window regulators, and I absolutely dread replacing window regulators.
Muscle car?
Lamborghini Diablo, like a 5.7 liter.
90s cars are just great.
Probably a Koenigsegg.
Probably an Evo 3.
1989 180SX.
Ferrari F40 or like a G-Wagon 6x6.
69 or 70 240Z.
Off the top of my head, I'm going to go Audi, and they're really going to soar to the top of my list if they make a truck.
Honestly, it's the car that's in the garage. I have a BMW E46. What is it? It's a 323i.
E46 M3.
A Lamborghini. Don't know which one, just any Lamborghini.
1986 Audi Quattro, the UR Quattro.
I am a returns agent for the returns department.
And I work on our assembly team here at ECS Tuning.
I'm a supply chain analyst.
I'm a research and development engineer.
I am a packer here at ECS.
I work in assembly.
I am the Volkswagen Audi brand manager.
Okay, so I'm an assembly associate. I work in brake lines primarily.
I am a purchasing agent.
The design engineer.
I do special care and quality control.
I'm an R&D technician.
I'm a marketing planner.
And I am the marketing planner.
I enjoy it a lot.
I love it.
A lot of fun.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Honestly, it's changed my life.
You know, I love all my coworkers. I moved here for this job.
I love it.
I love it, yeah.
I love it.
This was actually my dream job right out of college.
Everybody feels like family. Even if you don't know anybody, it's just like, hi, how you doing? You know, everybody's just, it feels like a home.